What up, Joe? So I'm running into some issues here. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but okay. So I started working on these recipes. So I'm in the recipe tab, and I already started this day one recipe. I'm gonna go to quick view, and then okay. So for example, I want to be able to edit this text, right? So edit, right, and it brings me to this where I can edit the um, like add another step, etc. But if I want to actually go in here and edit, I would think it would be this button, but it's not working. I don't know. I checked over here. It's not here. I don't know why. Any help would be greatly appreciated. Maybe I can do it from the back end. Hold on. Engage. Here's my recipes. Quick view. Yeah, I can't edit this. So I want to edit this. That'd be great. Thanks.